Hi everyone, let's see how you can change the refresh rate of your monitor in Windows 11. To get started, simply right click on your desktop and click on Display Settings. Then go to Advanced Display. Here you will get the Change Refresh Rate option. Simply click here and here you can set the refresh rate to the maximum number. You can also do the same by clicking on Display Adapter Properties. Then click on List All Modes and find the highest refresh rate from here. Select it and click on OK to set it. However, to get the highest refresh rate from your monitor, you must always keep your GPU drivers up to date. So click here and set it to the maximum number and click on Keep Changes, and that's it. And also make sure that your monitor is connected with HDMI cable. This ensures maximum refresh rate output from your monitor. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more such tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.